Hello my lovely crafters, this is Crafty Sue 519. Welcome to my channel. And today is my Saturday mishmash. I wasn't going to do a mishmash. I really didn't have anything to do. But I watched a video from my sweet dear friend Denise Becker the other day, and she showed how to make a Z-fold card that I just loved. She had sent me this card. It's very pretty and I loved how it was made, so I asked her to make a tutorial on how to make this card because I really wanted to make some. So today I came in here and I made a couple. But first off, I'll give you a little bit of an update on the hurricane. We were spared. As usual. For some reason, hurricanes don't like the Tampa area, and we don't get the really bad parts of it. It doesn't hit us directly. So far, fingers crossed, hopefully it stays that way. Anyhow, we thought we were really out of the woods. And then a couple of hours after what we thought was the end of the hurricane, it poured and poured and poured, and I would say a good half of my backyard flooded. In front of my lanai, I have a flower box that I had my gardeners build for me for the sole purpose of keeping water out of my lanai. So it's the whole length of my lanai, and it's about 4 inches high. Well, the water was so deep, it went over that, washed all the mulch out of my flower bed, and came onto the lanai. Thankfully, it did not get to my sliding doors and into the house. But I was scared. This is the first time I really got worried that we were going to get water in the house. But we lucked out. Somebody was watching over us, I'm sure, because that was it. It rained for a long time and it finally stopped. We never lost power. We were very lucky in that respect. And as bad as this storm goes, I believe I heard one person died, and that was in a car accident. I don't think it was directly related to the storm. But they shouldn't have been out driving around in that hurricane. So we're good. We're all good. And hopefully we don't get another one. But season's just starting. So fingers crossed for that one too. So anyhow, back to Denise. She did that video 2 days ago, I think. And I wanted to make some of those cards like I just showed you. So I did. Now my favorite season, if you know me at all, you know my favorite season is fall. So I wanted to make a couple of fall cards. So I went through my stash and I used stuff I don't usually use. I pulled out this stamp set because I love it, love it. And I've made cards with this last year, I believe, and fully intended on using this, then totally changed my mind. I have a bunch of iris boxes, and I have them separated by holidays or seasons and stuff. So I had Grumpy get me the fall one down, and I went through it and found some papers I loved, and I remembered I had just bought some stickers from Dollar Tree that were fall, and I never use stickers. Never use stickers on my cards. I don't know why I buy them all the time, but I do. And watch for a D-stash, because I'm sure I'm going to do a D-stash with stickers. But anyhow, I bought these 2 fall sticker packs, and they were just so beautiful. I couldn't pass them up. It's fall. I love fall. So I bought these, and I used these on the cards. And then in that box of fall stuff, I had these. So I used that. And I used this kit, which I'm guessing I got from Peachy Cheap. when I was buying from them. And this is Simple Stories. And does it have a name on here? I don't know, but it's fall. All fall, oh, Autumn Splendor, it's called. And it's beautiful. I loved it. Loved it. So, let me show you the cards I made. So those are the things that I used. Oh, and I used some of these little enamel dots that matched perfectly. They're from Simple Stories, but they were not from that set. So I used orange and green paper. And here are my Z-folds. So this is my first one for the fall. This is one of those scarecrow stickers, and then I took a pumpkin sticker and put it at the bottom to fill it up a little more. One of the papers from the stash. I wasn't going to use this because I didn't think it was fallish enough, but it was just so pretty and had butterflies on it, so how could I resist? Put a couple little enamel dots, and you open it up, and I put So Thankful for You, and one of those little pumpkins in there, embossed the background. And that's it. And it was easy. Just like Denise said, it's easy. These are not difficult to make at all. And they stand up like this and they look so pretty, right? So pretty. I love it. So that's one I made. And here's the other one. All I did was reverse the cardstock. This one I had the green for the cardstock. And this one I used the orange, or pumpkin pie. And made this one a little more harvesty, I would say, more for Thanksgiving. And that's the inside. The same inside on both of them. But I love this. I'm gonna make some Christmas cards like this. Once I can figure out what I want to do for design to put on the front. That's the hardest part for me. Choosing papers and how to decorate the front. So, let me know what you think. Do you like them? I love fall. I love fall. I'm going up to Rhode Island in October and I cannot wait. I cannot wait. I cannot wait. 2 weeks of bliss, I hope. I hope, I hope, I hope. So let me know what you think of my cards. Do you like the scarecrow? Do you like the pumpkins and leaves? You like them both? Oh gosh, and I'm rushing because my son is due here very shortly. Grumpy and him are doing a football draft online for one of their friends' fantasy leagues. So Grumpy's on his way to get pizza. It's a tradition. So I gotta go. I gotta go. My baby boy is on his way. All right, everybody. I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful weekend. Please stay safe. And remember, be creative, have fun, and do something just a little bit naughty. Love yous. Bye.